Hi guys, it's Ross from Rossberry Productions. Today I'm going to be testing out a life cheat I see on YouTube and wondered whether it would work. This is a Mitsubishi 380, weighs just under 2 tons. Got a Ryobi impact driver, which, you know, pretty average of quality. And obviously our jack here. Don't have a trolley jack, so I'm fed up of keep winding it in and out. So I'm gonna try this myth and see if it works. Obviously make sure it's lined up correctly in the car so it's not going to slip or anything. Let's give it a go.